It starts with light. Too much and the detail is lost. The balance of both light and shade is what draws us in. Contrast that creates intrigue. Parasoleil's line of architectural panels create sanctuaries that invite frame and shade. Based on technique and artistry tested to withstand the elements, yet we create more than shade. We sculpt light, creating moments captured in a single setting, providing new, unique, and sustainable tools for a space's designer, letting space and the best of dreams come alive. Parasoleil, the art of shade.